Everyone, and welcome back to Brickton. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my videos or thumbnails, or whatever you want it for. Now let me assure you that I will be making another video next week on how I edit my videos for YouTube. Now, without further ado, let's begin. So here I have a bunch of photos that I'll need, and the first one is what I call the background, and it's the first layer, which I'll show you in more depth later on. It is a simple beach with the sunrise in the background, very pretty. Next, I have a picture of a seagull. This is layer 2, or what I call the main focus. It's essentially the thing you want your viewer to look at first. Now it might look very bright in contrast with the background here, but in a few moments we'll make it fit perfectly. Also, with these photos, aside from the background, you want to make sure that they are a transparent image. If you can't find a transparent photo like the seagull, you can cut out the parts you don't like, which is a lengthy process, but worth it. Finally, we have the optional layer, layer 3, or what I like to call it, the layer with words. It's essentially a logo or a word that you want in your photo. And what I've chosen for the sake of this video is a Subnautica logo. Credits to Subnautica if they watch this video and decide to copyright strike me. Once you get all of your images, you can head on over to the App Store and download an app called Photoshop Mix. It is a completely free app and I use it for all my thumbnails. Once finished downloading, click on the app. And it might tell you to some stuff and try to give you a tutorial. Just skip all that and click on the plus sign on the top right corner. Then click image. Click on my iPhone and click on recent. And then from there, select your background image, which is the beach photo right here. And it might say that it's low quality. You can either find a better photo or just ignore it. On the right side, there's another plus sign. Click on it, then click on image and select your layer 2 image, or the main focus, which is the seagull here. Now, here's where it gets a bit tricky, so try to and stay with me here. My seagull is obviously too bright and doesn't look right with the background, so we have to cut it out too. So, let's go and cut out the background first. By the way, you actually don't need to cut it out if it's transparent, but ours is not. So we go to cut out on the bottom bar and we click audio. Sometimes it might not do the job perfectly, like right here, the legs are cut out. But what I usually do is fix it up with this smart tool right here. And I zoom in like this. And that's not what I meant to do. Okay, that's not what I meant to do either. And right now, it's just fixing it up, trying to at least get the feet, but it might not be perfect considering there's a huge rock. But I think if we put the time and attention to it, we can actually just cut out the stuff we don't want, like the rock right here. We don't want this, so we're gonna, oops, that's not what I meant to do. Honestly, I'm not gonna put too much effort just because I'm recording a film. So the blue part, I guess we don't really need to cut that out. It might look a little strange, but that's okay. So we have finished cutting it out. Well, after we finished cutting it up, we go to blend on the bottom, right next to cut out here. Then pick whichever one looks the best with your background, which is not doing so great, honestly. I think we're just going to stick with this. Honestly, there has to be a better way. Honestly, this one looks okay. But, it's transparent. So how about we put it down like that? Yes, that looks good. That looks pretty good. So whichever blend looks the best, you pick it. I'll pick the best one I see, which is this one right now. Once you're done with that, let's add a new image, which is going to be our Subnautica logo. Now, this is basically a unsupported format, photo file format. Honestly, this just means that your logo or whatever is going to be low quality, which you can look for a better one. I don't really want to waste time looking for a better one because, I'm getting the job done, so it's not a big deal. Once you finish getting your third image, you move your pictures layer 2 and 3, not the background. If you move your background, it'll look weird, so try to be careful with that. And just move your pictures wherever you want them, like right here. This Subnautica logo right here is transparent, so we don't have to cut it out. It looks a bit low quality. That's because it's an unsupported file format. You can look for a better one again. But in this case, I'm not going to. And you can resize these pictures. So you can do this and make it all diagonal. I forgot the word. I'm sorry. You can also cut them out if, you don't like some parts. But I think we did a pretty good job. I don't like the seagull picture because it looks weird. But, we're just going to have a transparent seagull, I guess. So that's basically how I edit my thumbnails for YouTube, obviously with more images sometimes, like, you have in this case, let's just say we have a action figure review thing, and so they have multiple sets of hands, so you get the other picture for the other sets of hands and edit them into the photo. You can have different layers and all that stuff. But yeah, basically, once you're done with this, you basically click on the top right little box with the arrow pointing straight up. You click on that. You go to camera roll or wherever you want. Most likely, it's going to... Alright, we're just going to pretend that didn't happen. Okay, try number 2. So, I accidentally pressed the wrong button and that completely shut down the thing. So we're going to do this yet again, and the Subnautica logo, you can do this, etc., all that stuff. Now this time, click on the square on the top with the arrow pointing straight up. Click on camera roll. If you want to keep it, go to the App Store. No, you don't want to go there. You want to go to images, which is right here, and here is your finished picture. I know I didn't make mine look good because I was just trying to show you guys how you can edit your photos and what app to use. You can use different apps if you find better ones. If you have any suggestions for good apps or whatever, you can comment that down below. And if this video helped you out, then please consider leaving a like. And if you want more content, I'm gonna be making a video like this, but for videos for YouTube. And, I'll be making Lego videos, action figure videos, art showcases, and even Hot Wheel review videos. So, if you like all that stuff, or even just some of that stuff, you can please consider subscribing to the channel. And that's all I have for you today, ladies and gentlemen. So, dude.